Welcome back to Vantastic. This is a re-race of Heat 14, Race 4. All the vans are in the correct position. Good luck, teams. There you go, there's a re-race, and G-Force Racing is still going through to the semi-finals with Speedy G behind the wheel. Commiserations there to Big Pair Racing with Manon Guard, who was driving for that builder and team. There he is, hipped right on the line. Swivel hipped Sammy on his side. Let's have a look and see what happened. Swivel hipped Sammy just collecting G4 Diecast, and Po Boy Racing powering on to take the win. Look how close this was on the line. Speedy G, wham, just takes him right then and there. Unfortunate. However, that's the way the cookie crumbles right here in Vantastic 2021. So just to recap on who's going through from Heat 14 into the semi-finals. And here you go. The builder is Po Boy Racing, Deputy Dwag going through. The name is Law and Order. And this has Blackfire tyres. Watch out for these on the track. And just to recap on this one, G4 Diecast Racing, Speedy G weighing 80.8 grams, and Gold Rush Hot Wheels van heading through the semis. Thanks again. We'll catch you in Heat 15.